Hello, Spain! I am in Madrid! I am so happy! Look, blue sky, palm trees, Madrid is beautiful! Madrid is so old and pretty. Love these buildings. Balcony. Thank you very much. My room key, gracias. What a view. Red roofs everywhere. My first Spanish coffee, café con leche. Puerta del Sol, the heart of Madrid. A Spanish guitar, music in the streets, so magical. Plaza Mayor, so big, so beautiful in red. Churrachas, semi-Spanish breakfast. The Prado Museum, so much amazing Spanish art. Velázquez painting, the colors are so rich. Retiro Park, people are rowing little boats. The Crystal Palace, like a glass castle in the park. The Temple of Debod. Look at this orange sky. Tapas Street, so many little bars. I am excited. Barcelona, I took the fast train. Hola, Catalunya. Sagrada Família, the tallest church I have ever seen. Inside it is like a forest of colors. Beautiful. Park Güell. Look at the rainbow broken tiles. Look, a colorful mosaic dragon. So cute and shiny. Casa Batlló. The roof looks like a dragon's back. Casa Milà. The walls look like ocean waves. Wow. These roof chimneys look like stone soldiers. Gothic quarter, so old, like a medieval story. The pigeons are gentle. They like my little crumbs. Barcelona beach, the sea is so blue. The water is cool and fresh. I love the beach. Fresh lemonade at the beach bar. So refreshing. Las Ramblas. So many flowers and artists. Wonderful. La Boqueria Market. So much fresh fruit. Yummy! Tapas bar. Little plates with big flavors. Amazing! The port at night. The boats look like little lights. Seville! So hot and sunny. I need a little fan. Plaza de España. Beautiful, like a fairy tale palace. A little boat ride in the plaza. So romantic. The Alcázar Gardens, peacocks and orange trees. Inside the palace, so many beautiful Arabic patterns. Tiny white streets. I feel like in a storybook. Spanish jamón and sherry, delicious Andalusian taste. Flamenco! The dancing and guitar are so powerful! The music is still in my heart. Unforgettable. Good morning, Seville. The river is so peaceful. The Alhambra, like a red crown on the hill. Lion carved, the well brought of art. The ceiling, made of wooden stars, so beautiful. Generleaf gardens, water and flowers everywhere. Sunset on the Alhambra. The most magical view. Moroccan mint tea. The lanterns are like jewels. Albaicín. White houses and blue doors. Charming. In Granada, tapas are free with your drink. Valencia! Orange trees everywhere. It smells so sweet. City of Arts and Sciences. Like a spaceship city. Real Valencian paella with saffron rice. Delicious. Valencia Cathedral. Pretty. The Central Market. So colorful under the glass. Old city gates, like a medieval storybook entrance. Valencia turned a river into a big park. So smart. Palace Festival! Big fires and fireworks! The local fiesta! I am dancing with everyone! My last Spanish morning. Churros one more time. Don Quixote's windmills! So big and white! Little Spanish fishing village, so quiet and pretty. Guggenheim Bilbao, the building shines like metal. An old Spanish arena, the building is very historic. Cheers, Spain. Salud. Thank you for amazing memories. Goodbye, Spain. I will miss you so much. Adios.
Spain is in my heart forever!
Thank you. Goodbye.